And Israel is defending itself in the United Nations top court today against allegations of genocide in Gaza, a claim the country vehemently denies. South Africa made the allegations and is now calling for judges to order an immediate suspension of Israel's military actions.
Genocides are never declared in advance. But this court has the benefit of the past 13 weeks of evidence that shows incontrovertibly a pattern of conduct and related intention that justifies a plausible claim of genocidal acts. Nothing will stop the suffering except an order from this court.
ABC's Patrick Reevell joining me now from Tel Aviv, Israel, with more on this. Patrick, what have you heard so far today from South Africa's arguments at the International Criminal Court of Justice?
Hi, Dan. Yeah, South Africa has completed laying out its opening arguments in The Hague at the International Court of Justice. South Africa has accused Israel of violating the second article of the Genocide Convention. It's accused it of genocidal actions aimed at destroying a substantial part of the Palestinian people. And it's been trying to prove that there is genocidal intent, that Israel has acted with genocidal intent. And to do that, they've been presenting basically rhetoric and statements from Israeli officials. For example, they presented a statement from early on in the war from Israel's defense minister, where he declared a total siege on Gaza and said that Israel was fighting human animals. Now, they also say, the evidence is the extremely heavy bombing and indiscriminate bombing that we've seen in Gaza over the past 13 weeks. As they said, Israel obviously vehemently denies the charge. It says that it's atrocious and that it's a distorted vision of genocide and distorts the concept of genocide. Now, it's probably going to take years for a decision to actually be made on whether genocide was committed or not, but there can be emergency measures declared by the court. For example, they can call for Israel to end its military operation. That's what South Africa has called for. That could come as early as in the next 2 weeks. Diane?
And then next week will be 100 days since the October 7th attack. What is the latest on the hostage negotiations?
Yeah, as you say, it's almost been 100 days, and there remain dozens of hostages held in Gaza. And I have to say, right now, we know that there are perhaps attempts to revive a deal, but ultimately people here feel that there is no deal close at the moment. And I think that's, obviously agonizing for the families who continue trying to free and demanding that their loved ones be freed. I think there's a sense here that there's a growing fear that they may not be brought back alive. I mean, Hamas yesterday put out a statement saying that if Israel wants to see them alive, it must end all aggression against Gaza now. So I think, unfortunately, at the moment, there's a great deal of growing, perhaps even despair among people here for the hostages.
All right, Patrick Reevell in Tel Aviv, Israel, thank you.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.